We are on the Celebrity Equinox. We're going to take you on a full tour of the ship. Hi, I'm Carmen. This is Brian. We're the Adventures of Peas and Carrots. If you enjoy travel videos, travel tips, and other travel content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any new content. Let's go tour this ship. We're going to start on the 3rd floor. This is the floor that we came on the ship. Has this amazing elevator banks with this beautiful tree right in the center and a skylight at the top. Also on the 3rd floor, we have this grand looking staircase and beautiful architecture. It's just really gorgeous. Over to this section, you got guest relations. So this is where you come if you have any issues, you need any help with anything. They also have someone over to the side, at least when we came on the ship, that helps you with technical issues with their app. So this is just basically where you come for any information. Also on the 3rd floor is the passport bar. It's not open right now, but they make a variety of drinks, including coffee drinks, mixed drinks, and other beverages. And you have a lovely view out towards the ocean and ample seating area as well. Here's the shore excursion desk. This is where you want to come to book any shore excursion and get information about your excursions. Also on the 3rd floor is Lemonade. This restaurant is exclusively for suite guests. Got the breakfast menu up right now, and they do have a dress code. Here's a little peep inside. We are not suite guests, so I'm not going to go any further than this, but it looks like a lovely restaurant. The entrance to the lower level of the Silhouette dining room is on the 3rd floor, and that is if you have a set early time or a set late time. They do have artwork on each level as you go up the stairs. Let's head up to the 4th floor. Welcome to the 4th floor. On the 4th floor, we also have 2 entrances to the Silhouette dining that go to 2 upper levels on the top. Over here on this side is the 2nd entrance on the 4th floor. This is for select dining, which is not the set early or set late. And we just made a reservation and we've been eating actually on this side right over here, and it's a beautiful view of the entire restaurant. This is the Ensemble Lounge. It's open in the evening. And they do have a dress code. It's one of the only lounges with a dress code. Right off the Ensemble Lounge is the Retreat Lounge for retreat guests. Also on this level is the specialty dining restaurant. This is Murano. Here's the Tuscan Grill. Here's an example of their menu. Beautiful entry. And more gorgeous views. Very elegant looking restaurant, and this is their Italian inspired specialty dining. Here's Cuisine, which is where Le Petit Chef is. Here's a little peek inside. They are closed right now. And if you have not seen Le Petit Chef, here's a video. They basically project these tiny little chefs on your table. It's a pretty neat experience. Here's Blue. This restaurant is another specialty dining, and they have beautiful ocean views and very elegant decor. Next up is Craft Social. We have definitely spent a bit of time here because they have a really great craft beer selection here. Beautiful bar and really nice seats by the ocean. You can get a really nice view of the ocean here. They've got bar seats out in the middle, and they also usually have sports playing on the TVs. Also on the 4th floor is the Fortunes Casino. The casino also has its own bar and a seating area. We've got some Wheel of Fortune games, some other types of games. We have noticed that many of the games are a little more dated. 4th floor has quite a bit of shopping. Here's Glitz, which specializes in jewelry. Serendipity, which has all kinds of souvenirs and other items for purchase. The Sundialer. Equinox shop. Spirits and such. We've also got an area where you can plan your future cruise. Here's the Quasar Bar and Club We've noticed they've had karaoke in here and other activities. Here's the main entrance. They have these fun chairs and a bar. Also, we have the Equinox Theater on this floor. This is where they have the main Broadway-like shows and other entertainment. Here's Celebrity Central, which is a smaller theater. We've noticed they've held all types of things in this theater, including movies.
Thank you very much, everyone.
This central area right here on the 4th floor, they have a ton of fun things in the evening, like game shows, true or false, all kinds of different things. This little station right here, they have been doing various tastings. So if you have a tasting event, there's a chance it may be here. They also have tastings in other areas too, though. And this is the Martini Bar. In my personal opinion, this is probably the best bar and the most fun. The bartenders are super entertaining, super energetic, and the drinks are fantastic, made to order. And this bar in the evening is completely iced over. It's really, really cool. I'm now at the top of the grand staircase on the 4th floor. It's another fantastic view. Welcome to the 5th floor. Here's that same fantastic view, one more floor up. And by the way, we should mention, they frequently have live music right here in the evening and people dance right out here, which is a lot of fun. Next up is the Cafe Al Baccio. It's a coffee and gelato shop and also treats. They have a variety of treats and they always have at least one gluten-free item. They also make a lot of coffee drinks to order. This is the view down from the 5th floor looking on that main area, and you can tell this looks sort of 3D from this angle, which is pretty cool. This is the world-class bar, and right next to it is the art gallery. In the art gallery, they also have various seminars in this area in the center. There are a variety of shops on the 5th floor as well. Also on the 5th floor is the home to all the lifeboats. There's also an entrance to the Equinox Theater on the 5th floor for the top level. They have a balcony level. I wanted to mention also, towards the other side of the ship, there is another bank of elevators separate from those glass elevators we showed before. These are always less crowded for some reason. No idea why, but they are. So if the elevators are packed, head for these. Also on the 5th floor is where you come to pick up your pictures if you decide to get professional photos made. Sushi on 5 is appropriately on deck 5. This is one of the specialty dining restaurants. It's a really nicely themed restaurant, and here is their menu. That is going to wrap up floor 5. Let's head to floor 6. The only thing on the 6th floor besides staterooms is the Celebrity Eye Lounge. Looks pretty much like an Apple store.
Thank you, sir.
Popped onto the glass elevator to show you the view as we head to the 7th floor. And on 7 is Team Earth. On the 9th floor is the card room, which is an open gaming area. It's really nice. You have a nice view. And they have games out over here for you to enjoy. But of course you could also bring your own games, which we've done. So we hope to use this pretty soon. On deck 10, we have the library. And they do have books that you can check out from the library to enjoy. And it's actually a beautiful, beautiful space to relax in. Here's a view from the 10th floor looking down on that tree in the atrium and looking up. And you've also got Here Comes the Sun. We are up to deck 12. There's a lot going on deck 12, so let's check it out. This is the main pool deck. There's ample shade here, which is fantastic. And there's also ample sun, so you've got both. There are 2 pools. We'll get a better view when we go up to the next floor. 4 jacuzzis, great views, And you also have this stage where they have all kinds of entertainment throughout the day. Here's the pool bar where they have all kinds of fun, fruity drinks that you can enjoy while you're at the pools. Next up is the solarium. This is an indoor pool area. They do have a few windows open, so it's not completely enclosed, but it's mostly enclosed. It's much cooler in here. Climate controlled. They have this beautiful fountain. At night, this looks stunning. They also have this indoor pool, as well as 2 jacuzzis that are over where you can look at the ocean. Here's the wonderful jacuzzi, which is right next to the ocean. So this is really gorgeous. I used one of these at night, and it's just stunning to sit here and enjoy the view. This is the Aqua Spa Cafe, which is in the solarium. They tend to have healthier offerings, but we've also noticed they have really, really limited hours. You can see them right there, but they're not open all day like a lot of the other places are. On deck 12 also we have the spa, and there's also a barber shop. Beautiful views of the ocean. Over here is the check-in desk for the spa. Next up is the fitness center. Beautiful views of the ocean while you're on the treadmill. Lots and lots of exercise equipment, towels, cold towels. They also have a wide variety of weight machines as well as free weights. Also from the fitness center, you can actually go out onto the bow of the boat. I would say you could come out here to cool off, but you will not cool off today out here. Beautiful. Also from here you have a view of the helipad at the bow of the ship. One of our favorite places on the ship is the Sky Lounge. They are doing some type of trivia in there now, so we'll go take a look. Here's the bar area, and here's the trivia game. They have ample seating here in the Sky Lounge with just gorgeous views off the bow of the ship. From the 14th floor, you have some of the best views of the solarium and of the pool. So here's the solarium with a bird's eye view. Let's walk around the deck. So it's really nice. They have tons of shaded seating up here too, as well as the sun loungers. And we've never had trouble finding a seat up here. By the pool sometimes it's full, but up here there is plenty of space. They also have the mass grill. So this is where you come for your hamburgers and sort of grab and go, quick grilled food, French fries. And it's really handy if you're at the pool, and it actually smells fantastic right now. I can smell it cooking. Here's a put your own toppings on, and here's what they have. Made to order cheeseburger, hamburger, veggie burger, turkey burger, and hot dog and French fries. This is definitely one of the best views on the ship. Beautiful view of the pool from this floor, of the ship. Just looks incredible. Next is the mast bar, and this is a smoking area on this side of the ship up here as well. The mast bar has a variety of drinks, full service, and beer as well, of course. Also on the 14th deck, they have a jogging trail, this red trail right here. It goes all the way around the deck, and you have this great view of the pool and of the ocean while you're walking. Also on the 14th floor, there's 2 entrances to the Ocean View Cafe, which is the main buffet. Here's a pan of the buffet. It is closed right now except for very minor service over to the back, but we do have a full breakfast tour and a full dinner tour that'll be in future videos, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss those. There's tons and tons of seating with these beautiful ocean views. We actually like these seats that are over here right by the bar because they actually come and take drink orders here, and so even if you just want a bottle of water, it's a great way if you're on one of the drink package plans to get a drink. Inside the Ocean View Cafe is the Destinations Bar, which is another full-service bar. They also have a self-service beverage station, so if you do not have a drink plan, this is where you would come to get your beverages. If you prefer dining al fresco, right off the back is the Ocean View Bar with a ton of seating and beautiful views of the ocean at the aft of the ship. Here's the Ocean View Bar, and boy do you have an ocean view. Gorgeous. We came up these stairs to the 15th floor now. This is the retreat sun deck. It's for retreat guests only, which we are not. It is a beautiful private deck right at the top of the ship. Here's the beautiful bow of the ship, and they are having some 2-on-2 basketball with 2 of the crew and 2 of the guests. One thing the ship is known for is the hot glass studio and hot glass classes. For an upcharge, you can pay to make your very own hot glass. Also on the 15th floor is the Whiskey House at the Lawn Club. One thing the ship is known for is the real grass growing up here on the 15th deck. Looks like they're playing a game today. He is one of the entertainment directors, and we'll walk around and show you some more of the grassy areas. They also show movies here on the lawn, and they have these nice loungers you can lay on while you watch the movie. They also have cabanas up here for an extra charge. Here's a great view from the 15th floor. Beautiful. We hope you found this tour really helpful. If you enjoyed this, be sure to click on the video on your screen now. Also, if you enjoy travel videos, travel tips, and other travel content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.